Hi, welcome to Dao Shows You How. I'm Dao. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very practical wallet like this that can hold 10 cards, some cash, some cosmetics, some bank books or a passport, and a cell phone. And to make it even more unique, we're going to put the embroidery on it. So I'm going to divide this project into two parts. Part one, in this video, we're going to prepare all of the pieces that we need for this project, and we're going to do the embroidery. And for part two, next video, we're going to sew everything together. So let's get started. Okay, in this project, I'm going to use 6 colors of 7mm satin ribbon. Here I have brown for the stems, orange, yellow, off-white, and white for the flowers, and green for the leaves. And we're going to need some needles here. Just make sure that the needle's eye is big enough for the ribbon, and a pair of scissors and a lighter. And for the body of the bag, here we need 1 piece of fabric and 1 piece of sponge. Cut them to 9.5 by 14 inches. And I'm going to use the same sponge that people use for the bra padding, because the surface is nice and strong, so I don't need to add extra lining. And we need a 25-inch zipper, whatever color that you like. And also we need a long piece of binding tape, 1.5 by 50 inches. And we're going to move to the phone case. For the phone case part, we need 1 piece of fabric and 1 piece of sponge. Cut them to 9.5 by 5 inches. And we're going to sew these 2 pieces together, then leave a little gap here and turn it inside out. After that, we're going to put 1 piece of Velcro on, just like that. And for the other part, we need 2 pieces of fabric and 1 piece of sponge. Cut them to 2.5 by 4.5 inches. And we're going to do the same process. Sew around, leave 1 little gap on 1 edge and turn it inside out. And we're going to put the other Velcro on to this part. And for the cosmetic pouch, we need 2 pieces of fabric and 2 pieces of sponge. Cut them to 5.5 by 8.5 inches. And we also need a 9-inch zipper for the pouch. Now, for the straps, we're going to use 2 lengths of the straps for this project. The longer one is 2 by 45 inches. I already sewed it together. And for the short one, 2 by 9.5, and I haven't sewn it yet, so I'm going to show you later. And in order to make the straps stronger, I decided to put this little strap on, and again we will see in the next video. And we need a D-ring and a hook, okay? And for the pockets of the cards and the bank books, we need 2 pieces of fabric, 9.5 by 22 inches. And I already ironed the interfacing on to make the fabric more stable. And if you want to know how to install the interfacing, you can check my earlier video. I'll put the link in the description. And that's all we need. So next, I'm going to draw the ribbon embroidery, the pattern of the ribbon embroidery directly on this piece of fabric, and then I'm gonna install the fabric to my embroidery frame and do some embroidery. It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna put some music on and speed it up in some part, and I'll be back. and it's done. That's it for this video, and in the next video we will sew everything together, so stay tuned for the next one. I want to let you know that if you are interested in buying any of the things that you have seen me make in these videos, many of them are for sale on my Etsy store, Mothers 1982. If you want to support my channel, head over there and take a look. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, you will find the links in the description. As always, thanks for watching. This has been Dao Shows You How. I'm Dao, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.